Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva effectively. As a beginner, Canva can be quite stressful, rather difficult to use, especially if you don't have access to the pro version, maybe because you can't afford it. It's expensive for someone that doesn't have a stable source of income. In this video I'll show you how to use the free versions of Canva effectively and achieve exactly what you want. So firstly, you open your Canva. Before we move on, if you don't have Canva on your phone, you can download it from Google Play Store. Remember, I am teaching you how to use Canva on your Android phone. So iPhone users, I don't know, you can download from wherever you download from. Here's what we're going to do. I will display it on my screen while I work on it on my phone here. Do you understand? So remember, we are trying to create a YouTube thumbnail, so you click on it and allow it to load. This place is going to appear automatically. This place consists of various thumbnails. If you look closely, you will notice that most of them are pro versions, which means that you can't access them for free. So let's do something practical. You can decide to search for your niche here. For example, this. Let's search aesthetic vlogs. You're going to discover a whole lot of templates here. As expected, there will be a lot of pro versions. So you know what? Let's just feed our eyes and scroll through all of them. So let's assume you're a college student that vlogs and you want to create a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube video. So here's what you're going to do. Go to your search bar and type college vlogs. Oh wow, a lot of templates are going to appear. As usual, there are lots of pro versions, but there are still free versions too. So let's just feed our eyes and scan through it. Let's also assume that you're a traveler that makes travel vlogs and then you're trying to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So here's what you're going to do. Search travel vlogs. Go to your search bar, search travel vlogs. Here we go. A whole lot of templates are going to appear. And as usual, there will be lots of pro versions, but there are also free versions, you know. You know, one thing I love about Canva, it gives you lots of options, like wide range of templates. So let's assume you're a chef that makes cooking videos, cooking vlogs, and then you're trying to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So here's what you're going to do. Go to search bar, search cooking vlogs. As usual, you'll be provided with a wide range of templates. When I tell you that I love Canva, I'm not even kidding. When I tell you that I love Canva, I'm not even kidding. Because tell me why you can use a template from another niche to create a thumbnail for another niche. Am I making sense? Okay, let's check. I'll be selecting a template from this niche and I use it to create a thumbnail as a food vlogger. I'll be selecting this template. Let's create something simple. You just have to click on this picture and it will lead you directly to your gallery. Here you select your preferred picture. Repeat the same process. Repeat the same routine for the second frame. Then for the third frame, I don't have much pictures, so I'm just going to reuse same picture. Just that I'll try to edit it. Let's see what we can do. Okay, maybe flip it up on it. Okay. Next is the text. So we'll have to change the text to fit the picture, making it realistic. So let's just write what I eat in a day. Okay, it's not that bad. It's okay. Next thing we're going to do right now is to add something a little bit fancy. You know, I like something very simple but has a little bit fancy, and I know not too plain, not too much going on, just something simple and basic. So let's just add a little fancy to it. So just go to elements, search YouTube, you see different types. So let's just pick one and edit. So that's it. I'm trying to curtail as much time as possible. I don't want to make this video very long. I'll still show you a clearer picture of what we just created, so just stay tuned. I'll still show you maybe at the end of everything, because we still have other thumbnails to create. So when I'm done creating everything, I'll just show you clearer picture of everything we just created. Before we continue, I would like you to do me a favor of liking, subscribing, and commenting where you're watching from. Doing this tells the YouTube algorithm that you found this video very helpful, and so when you do this, YouTube pushes this video, maybe recommends this video to other people, other small YouTubers that are struggling to use Canva just like you. So just do me a favor of liking, subscribing, comment where you're watching from. Thank you as you do that. Let's create something that has to do with weekend vlogs. You know, weekend is for resetting, making of new hair, fixing your nails, doing your lashes, you know, resetting. Let's create something that has to do with that. Go to your search bar and search weekend vlogs. As usual, you'll see a whole lot of templates. So without much ado, let's just choose one. As usual, replace the picture with your preferred picture from your gallery. I'll just replace the first frame with my preferred picture. For each picture you select, make sure it fits. If it doesn't fit in the frame, edit it so it can fit in. The same goes for the second frame and the third frame. Then you adjust. Next thing is to change the text. I'll be changing this to a day in my life, to weekend vlogs. It's not that bad. Changing this. So I'll be changing this a day in my life to weekend vlogs. My text looks big, but don't worry, I got it covered. Let's try changing the text color to black. Oh no, I don't like it. So we'll just continue with white color. Next is going to be changing the remaining texts. Then after that, we'll add a little fancy as usual. That's the YouTube symbol. Let's also try changing the text color. No. Nah, I don't like it. You just go ahead with white color. So you download. So that's the end, but wait, I promise to show you all the end product of everything we've worked on, the picture. So due to insufficient time, I wasn't able to make a video on how I did this and this. If you really want to see how I made them, you can comment part 2. So maybe if I see up to 100 comments requesting for that same part 2, I will definitely make a video on how I did that. So that's all for today. And lastly, if you've not subscribed, please, I am begging you, please subscribe, like, comment, share. Comment where you're watching from, or if you have further questions, you can drop a question in the comment section. I'll try my best to go through all of them. So that's all. Bye. Oh my god.